let's see what's going on here. Hold on, is my mic low now? Hopefully I fixed that issue. You know what? Maybe we just put it back on the setting we had it on yesterday. Who knows? Who knows? Actually, yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna change it back to what we had on yesterday. Just to get some uniformity here. And there we go. All right, we're good. Sound like we're in a wind tunnel. It's fine. All right, checking out Bitcoin. We're going out to the daily real quick. So on the daily, you can see how we have had a bullish engulfing candle yesterday. We're going to leave that there. So based off the back test we had, I'm starting to look at this as a bull flag that was recently back tested. This is actually fantastic for a lot of traders. We love confirmation. Love confirmation. But now, based off your monthly candle closes, we need to maintain above where we're at right now. So monthly candle closes are sitting right here at this yellow line. This is where I got this from. So if we can maintain above 67,588, then I do believe we're going to have an extremely explosive November. And I mean extremely. Noted, we just have to stay above this until Thursday of next week. Thursday, 5 p.m. of next week. Then we're sitting pretty. But on the weekly, we do have another level right here. These two candle high closes. Actually, let's break it down a little bit. These two candle high closes. So we did back test these two, sitting at 65,663. If we lose those levels based off your weekly, we could possibly come all the way down to 61,476 with these candle low closes over here. So that's what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin looks extremely strong where it's sitting. I do love to see that. So that's good. Let's drop down to your daily. And once again, your daily stochastic has plenty of room to actually run up now. We could see some sideways chop, but we do have room to run up. So that's fine. The only reason I say we could see sideways chop is simply because this is the final Friday of the month. And, longs, shorts, they're all fighting with each other right now, trying to see who can make the most money. The only problem is all the longs already got wrecked earlier this week. We'll check out the heat map later so you can see what I mean. But yeah, the longs, they got devastated this week. Checking out the 4-hour time frame. On your 4-hour, you can see we did just recently print a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see if we end up getting some follow through. The sellers tried to send this thing back down below the 67,588 level, and it looks like they were unsuccessful. This could lead to a lot more buying over the day, but we're going to have to wait and see. You are sitting in neutral territory on your relative strength on the 4-hour. You are above your 50 simple moving average as well. This is set up to where you have room to run to the upside, so shorts, be careful. Checking out the 1-hour on Bitcoin. 1-hour on Bitcoin trying to say you're going to go down. The 1-hour is trying to say you're going to go down. So keep that in mind with all your trades right now. The 1-hour is peaking out and pulling back. So we can actually adjust this trend line here that we did break out of. Because actually we can leave it. Maybe we come down for a back test. Maybe we don't. We're going to have to find out. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it there. Drop into the 15-minute. 15-minute is trying to reset right now. So we could see a rally in the coming hours. I would love to see what happens around 9 a.m. Around 9 a.m. we're going to get a very distinct idea of where this market could be going. Because, we saw the sharp drop, V-shaped recovery, even got slightly higher than this previous high. And now we're pulling back. Maybe we're going to confirm this level as support. I'm not sure. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out the heat map. Checking out the 24-hour heat map for Bitcoin, you can see we do have a massive pool of liquidity sitting down here at $66,974. This is approximately 63 or $64 million in short or in longs that they're on the chopping block. I mean, 67, 60. There's a lot of liquidity down there. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of liquidity up here as well, but looking like in the 24-hour time frame, a lot of people started going long. So don't be discouraged if you see a little death wick down to stop all these people out before seeing some upside. Let's go out to the weekly. The weekly is way more important because this actually shows you what I'm talking about. So back over here, you can see how all of these longs got absolutely devastated. Now, if you're looking at the weekly, we also devastated some shorts right over here yesterday. If you're looking at the weekly, very small amounts of liquidity are sitting below us. Very high amounts of liquidity sitting above us. So that is something that we got to pay attention to. Like right below us, very low levels of liquidity in comparison to what is overhead. So that's why it's an interesting little scenario what's happening in this market. Oh, it looks like Bitcoin's drawing down a little harder than expected. Now, Bitcoin drawing down leads me into the trade that I'm in currently. This trade is a very risky one, but we're in it. We are shorting SUI. We are shorting SUI. We can see this absolute gorgeous demand line here that it tried to break out of. 15-minute, it looks way different than a higher time frame, but you can see this great downtrend here, tried to break out, got sucked back in. Now you are below your resistance, and looks like we could see anywhere between a 2.85 to a 6.7% downside move out of SUI. Zoom on out to the 1 hour. Is my chat working? It might be. There might just be no one here. It's fine. It's fine. That just means we're not going to be live for long. No big deal. Crypto Naughty. Sol finally breaking down. We'll check that out next. Looking at the 1 hour, you can see your stochastic coming down. Good morning, Max. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. No, we here. Nice. What's up, Cody? Dang, you guys are here. Nice. Love to see it. So yeah, SUI right now, it's looking pretty desolate when it comes to upside, simply because you tried to upthrust through, you failed. Maybe it's going to attempt it for the second time. Who knows? Who knows? Let's check out Solana. But yeah, we are currently in a short on SUI. It's a very risky short as always, but you know, here we are. It's a cute little 15x short. We're currently down 1.17%. Maybe it's going to be a little more soon. Who knows? Trying to catch some bids. We're currently shorting SUI. I told you, when I see SUI, like I could short, I'm shorting the heck out of it. So I'm doing it. I'm a man of my word. My target is down here at 178.17. The fact that it can't hold on to this support brings me joy. Sucks for the SUI holders, but yeah, that kind of brings me joy. Solana. Yikes. So, Solana, you tested your supply line. You're now finding a lot of resistance at that 174 level. A drop could come. It definitely could come. So let's just say you do not get above this 174. You could very quickly see yourself at 165 and still be hyper bullish. Let's go out to the 4 hour. Your 1 hour looks great. I think it might be, oh, your 4 hour looks great too. I don't know if we're pulling back. I don't know if Solana's actually going to pull back. Yeah, you're looking pretty solid right now. I'm not even going to joke around about that. Looking pretty solid. Local support, I mean, maybe you come down just to test this level that was acting as resistance at 169.49. But that's a strong maybe. You reset your stochastic with these three sorry little candles. on the 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like the Solanians they want to keep this rally going. Let's go out to your 15 minute. Even your 15 minute wants to rally. Holy crap! Oh great, the whole market's starting to catch bids. Well, we might be regretting our Sui trade, but no, Solana actually it looks like it wants to go up. That's surprising. That tiny little pullback, that's all it needed. Damn. Damn. And if Solana's okay, you know what? We're getting out of this trade. Sui starting to scare me again. We're getting out of this. We're gonna take the 6% loss. We're getting out of there. We tried. We tried. It's fine. But if Solana looks like it's gonna have a good day, I'll tell you what. There's a couple other things that are gonna have a fantastic day. I'm gonna be looking at Bonk and Book of Meme. So since I'm seeing Book of Meme first, let's check this out. We're gonna dive into Book of Meme. We're gonna give this one a go. Your upside is absolutely obnoxious. It's so I'm down for Book of Meme. That's what we're gonna do that. Book of Meme just had a solid back test, which I like. If we're gonna have a positive, why can I trade this thing at 200x leverage? That's ridiculous. Like I don't even understand why that's allowed. That wow. Book of Meme. You can go 200x on weeks. The affiliated exchange. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Do it. No. We went 25. No big deal. No big deal. We went 25. It's cool. We're in there like swimwear. But coming out to the 4 hour for Book of Meme, you can see how we reset. We are holding our 50 simple moving average. This is actually a really big deal. If we zoom out here, like we go all the way out to the daily, even your daily looks fine. You're above your 200 simple moving average. Here is our demand line. We tried once, we came down. We tried twice, we came down. Third time. So this is the third time. We have not only broken out, we have now confirmed a back test. Book of Meme. If this is real, you have a measured move of 115% upside, getting up to 2 cents. But you are at a level of resistance. Your next level of resistance is 48% above it. This is why I'm staring at Book of Meme. Book of Meme, I think, could start running, and run in a big way. 4 hour, you have reset while maintaining above your 50 simple moving average. This looks pretty sexy to me. I like this. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame says we're ready to rock and roll. You know what? I'm here for it. Let's do it. You had this tight downtrend. You've broken out. You have maintained support. Now you're starting to move up. This is good. This is great. Checking the 15 minute. Let's see if the party can keep going. Oh my goodness, the party's just getting started. So yeah, Book of Meme. These are my reasons for wanting to go long. You're sitting in neutral territory. Your stochastic's pointing straight up. Looks like the rally's just getting started. Just getting started. Oh, and look at that. Bitcoin catching some bids as well. Oh boy. This might be an explosive Friday. This might be one of those good old-fashioned payday Fridays. So what I want to do is get the stop loss at 9-1. 0091. What's my liquidation? 001. Oof. That could be rough. All right. That is a 70% drop if this stops me out. That would be rough. But could be amazing if we end up getting up here. So I want this 48%. I want it. 14134. 14134. 3-4. So this is for a 1274% upside. Cool. Cool. Let's see if it happens. Let's see if this Friday is explosive enough to do that. We're finding resistance right now, which kind of sucks. I want to see this thing break and backtest. That would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. But I'm still absolutely shocked that I can go on 200x leverage on a meme coin. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Going back to Bitcoin. Oh my god. So we were drawing down. Now we're getting a bullish engulfing on the 15-minute right now. Flipping positive on Bitcoin. Shorts are probably going to get absolutely wrecked. Oh my god. Going back to our liquidation map, let's see where we could go. 70,121, I believe, would be the target. Based off all this liquidity just hanging out here. All these shorts thinking they're safe. That green candle is looking like they're not very safe. Oh boy. That's wild. So hopefully this can continue, which then in turn will help Book of Meme push up. If it doesn't push up, well, we just got roasted, is what it is. And we should end up finding this trade literally by 5 p.m. tonight looking a lot better. And I mean 5 p.m. tonight. Like, I'm absolutely certain this weekend is going to be insane for your favorite meme coins. Let's go ahead and check out Bonk real quick. Bonk, look at that. You found support right here. Wow. My original stop loss was sitting down here. Would not have gotten stopped out. That's a surprise. But I did take profit up here. So either way, I could jump back into this Bonk trade and still be slightly lower than when I got out. That's kind of cool. Oh my god, Ape Token going nuts. I'm really glad I got out of that short last night. It did not hit my target. I was staring at the chart. I did not hit my target at all. Came close, but it didn't hit it. But yeah, I was staring at the chart after stream, and I was like, why is it slowing down? While I was sitting on my phone playing video games. And yeah, got out of the trade. I'm really glad I did that. We'll look at ApeCoin real quick. But checking out Bonk. 4 hour, you have tons of room to run up. You have a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour. This is great. You have maintained above your 200 simple moving average. Bonk is still set up for amazing upside. Could see 37% upside in the coming days. This is a very strong possibility. So we need to see Bonk get above this 2271, possibly testing our demand line. If we can get one more touch as support at this level, then game on, baby. We are going straight to 3102. The possibility is there. Possibility is there. Book of Meme trade, we're doing good. Bitcoin's doing really good. Positive on the day. Doing really good. Let's check out ApeCoin now. Currently up 5%. Look at how close it was to getting to my profit-taking level. But it just said no. Like, look at this. Let's get rid of that. Look at how close that was. You were so very close. And now you're seeing the run-up. So close. Get rid of all this. So Ape looks like it's about to have a pretty decent day. Get rid of that. Clean up the chart. We did have this weird downtrend that we did not only break, but held support. That's great. ApeCoin doing things. ApeCoin doing things. What the hell did I just do? God damn it. There. So we do have a little bit of overhead resistance that Ape could possibly get up to. Sitting at 128. We're going to see if it continues going past that, because we do have a measured move based off this rising or this falling wedge, and the falling wedge idea. I mean, I guess we can claim that's a back test. We could be seeing Ape getting up to $1.52.3 based off the price action I'm seeing this morning. Based off that, looks pretty good. look at Bitcoin cook. Look at Bitcoin cook. Bitcoin looking damn good. I'm going to set an alert for this level right here. We break out above 69.48. This could get real spicy real quick. Like, oh, it's so spicy. Ugh. Looking at our trade, we're currently up 5% on Book of Meme. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I like what I'm seeing out of the market right now. I do like it. It's bringing back like Friday is payday vibes, you know? Friday payday vibes. Ooh, look at that. We're heating up. We're heating up, baby. By the way, anybody in the chat, if you have any requests, feel free. Drop them in. Drop them in. We're going to go take a look at Kaspa. Because I think Kaspa lost a level that I was talking about yesterday that it shouldn't have lost. But it did. Let's see if it got back above it. Look at that. We got the wick down. Now we're catching some bids. Let's go, Kaspa. We do have that higher low situation. Inverse head and shoulders in play. This is pretty darn interesting. So, Kaspa, in the near term, we could see it rally up to 14.3545. And if we can break that, you have a demand line sitting overhead, which would be a back test of this level at 15.2843. So there's hope for Kaspa yet. There is hope. It's finding support off of an extremely weird area from this little trading range right here. But, you know what? Support is support. We're okay with that. Why not? Why not? The smallest level of support is worth it. Oh, look at that. Mother is up 4%. Let's check out Mother. Oh, Mother did all the stuff and the things that I love. Holy. Wait a minute. You not only hit a level of support, you back tested it as support. Wait a minute. Mother. Oof. And you got a break out of this downtrend right here. Alright, so this isn't a real level, so that doesn't matter. So for Mother, we could distinctively see 24% upside could happen right now. We have some lows to work with. We're very low on your stochastic, or on your relative strength on the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour. 1 hour is trying to paint a different picture. You're going to want to see this stochastic come back down, but remember, this is a meme coin. This thing could rally 24% and not even bat an eyelash. If you get above that, you are looking at a 99% rally. That is insane. That is actually insane. What's this 15-minute telling me? 15-minute overbought territory. You're going to want to see that cool off a little bit. Just cool off a little bit. But, holy crap. Mother looking very strong. You higher low, higher low, higher low. Wow. Wow. That's impressive. You even maintained a supply line here? What in the world? What are we doing? Right there. Oh my Lanta. So it's literally like, oh yeah, we'll just test it one more time. Alright, send it. Alright, market open. Looking pretty good. I like all of this. Ooh, Book of Meme. Starting not to like you as much. What a shame. What a shame. Book of Meme. Stop it. Stop it. What was that? What is it? Yahoo Finance? The YahooFinance.com? Is that what it is? It would be really good if I could spell, right? Let's just go to Google. Yahoo Finance. Yeah, let's go to that. Finance.yahoo. News markets. All right, checking the markets. S&P 500 happens to be positive today. The Dow is positive. NASDAQ positive. Russell positive. Well, how are all of them positive? While the VIX is at a 3.78. That's impressive. That is actually impressive. US dollar is down 0.03%. S&P, what? TSX. I don't even know what that index is, but it happens to be down. Everything else in the green. NASDAQ, gosh, way in the green. 1.4%. Not bad at all. All right, looking at the markets, we're looking pretty darn solid. Pretty darn solid on the day. So, yeah, we should see things go up pretty darn well. I want to check out Tesla real quick. Tesla, let's see if the rally has continued. It broke resistance. Holy shoot. Tesla at 268, looking like it's trying to get up anywhere to that 294 to 301 level. That is great to see. Tesla. Damn. Looking like our book of meme trade, not looking nearly as good. Should have stayed in the SUI short, more than likely. Check out SUI. No, SUI short it's getting toast too. What a weird market right now. What a weird market. Solana's back up at 174.62. Solana's trying to break up. Why is Book of Meme selling off? I don't know. I don't know. Probably knows that I got into that trade. Probably going to hunt my stop loss. Is what it is. But, yeah. So, anyways, market open stream. You know, it's not as exciting as the end of the day when we can see exactly what happened. Needless to say, markets are looking pretty solid. I do plan on being back later tonight just so we can see the aftermath of the day. I'll probably put out some YouTube videos today, so stay tuned for all of that. But anyways, guys, we got it. We got the market open. It's the final Friday of the month, so enjoy the volatility for now. I'm guessing after today we're just going to be trending up. So, it's just a guess, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm going to hop on out of here. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic Friday. I'll catch you later. See you in the next stream. Deuces. Deuces. Be careful on your trades today. Be very careful.